Hello friends, in today's lecture we will be seeing some MCQs on arithmetical reasoning test type 1. In such kind of MCQs we will be going for totally the mathematical questions. Apart from that we will be doing some MCQs on problems based on ages. So without wasting our time, let us start with the first MCQ. Students, the first MCQ says that a householder employed a servant on the condition that food and lodging will be free, and after the service of 1 year he will get rupees 900 and uniform as a bonus. The servant left the job after serving for 9 months, and accordingly the householder gave him rupees 650 and a uniform. So find the price of the uniform. And students, we have been given 4 options with it. The first option is rupees 250, second is rupees 200, third is 175, and the fourth is rupees 100. So let us go for the solution. So we can say that the 12 months salary is equal to rupees 9 plus the uniform . The second condition says that the servant left the job after serving for 9 months, and accordingly the householder gave him rupees 650 and a uniform. So for 9 months, so for serving 9 months, the salary which he got was rupees 650 plus the uniform. सो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, हमें पूछा गया है कि प्राइस ऑफ द यूनिफॉर्म क्या है. तो चलिए देखते हैं हम प्राइस ऑफ द यूनिफॉर्म कैसे निकालते हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर मैं 12 मंथ्स की सैलरी को रुपीज़ 900 प्लस द यूनिफॉर्म जो है उसको मैं इक्वेशन 1 लूँगा, एंड 9 मंथ सैलरी विच इज़ रुपीज़ 650 प्लस द यूनिफॉर्म को मैं इक्वेशन 2 लूँगा. So now on subtracting equation 2 from 1, let us see what we get. On subtracting equation 2 from 1, we get 12 months of salary minus 9 months of salary, which gives us 3 months of salary. So 3 months of salary gives us 900 minus 650, which is rupees 250. So now students, we have got 3 months salary as rupees 250. So now I will calculate the salary for 1 year or 12 months. So I will multiply the 3 months by 4. Thus I will multiply 250 also by 4. So if I multiply 250 by 4, अगर मैं 250 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दूँ तो मुझे मिलता है रुपीज़ 1000. So I have got 12 months of salary as rupees 1000. Now if you look at equation 1, we had written that 12 months of salary is equal to rupees 900 plus the uniform. So now if I put rupees 1000 in the first equation, and if I subtract 900 from it, I get 1000 minus 900 is equal to the price of the uniform. So 1000 minus 900, that is 100, will give me as the price of the uniform. So the answer to this question is option D, which is 100 rupees. Now let us look at the next MCQ. It says that on the eve of Diwali festival, a group of 12 friends greeted each other by sending greeting cards. Find the number of cards purchased by the group. So now students, let us go for the solution. So students, we are having the total number of people here as 12. So each person will purchase 11 cards for the 11 friends. Thus, each friend will purchase 12 minus 1, that is 11 cards. So students, the total number of cards purchased by every one of them will be 12 multiplied by 11. And students, 12 into 11 gives me 132. So the total number of cards purchased by the group will be 132 cards. Hence, the answer to this question is option C, which is 132. So now students, let us look at the next MCQ. It says a man has rupees 4,800 in denomination of 10 rupee notes, 50 rupee notes and 100 rupee notes. The number of notes of each denomination is equal. What is the total number of notes that he has? So students, let us look at the solution. So students, let me start with the first step. I will write that let the denomination of notes be x. So we can say that since the denomination of notes is equal, we will say that 10x plus 50x plus 100x will be equal to 4800. So on adding 10, 50 and 100, we get 160x. Hence, we get the value of x as 30. So we can say that the number of notes he has is 3 into x. Why is 3 into x? It is 10 rupee notes, 50 rupee note and 100 rupee notes. Thus, the answer to this question will be option D, which is 90. चलिए स्टूडेंट्स, अब नेक्स्ट MCQ देखते हैं. It says Reena is twice as old as Sunita. 3 years ago, she was 3 times as old as Sunita. The present age of Reena is what? Option A 6, option B 7, option C 8, option D 12 and option E 14. So let us see the solution. So students, let me assume the present age of Sunita as X. So we can say that Reena is 2x years right now. Now students, they have told us that 3 years ago she was 3 times as old as Sunita. So now if we go for Sunita's age, I will write 3 years ago her age was x minus 3. And Reena was 2x minus 3. Now students, they have told us 3 years ago she was 3 times as old as Sunita. When we talk about she, who is that she? We will say Sunita. So now let me write down the equation. Now the equation says that 3 years ago she was 3 times as old as Sunita. Now who is she in this? She is no one but Reena. So Reena ka 3 years back is nothing but 2x minus 3, and that is equal to 3 times of Sunita. So on simplifying the equation, I get 3x minus 9 and this is equal to 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 9. So minus 3 plus 9 is equal to 3x minus 2x, which is equal to x. Thus I can say that x is 6. तो स्टूडेंट्स, मुझे सुनीता का एज जो है वो x years, which is 6 years मिल चुका है. Now they have asked us the present age of Reena. So the present age of Reena is 2 times of x. So I will do 2 times of x, that is nothing but 2 into 6, which is 12 years. So the answer to this question is option D, which is 12 years. Now let us see the next MCQ. It says that the age of the father is twice the age of the elder son. 10 years hence, the age of the father will be 3 times that of the younger son. If the difference of the ages of two sons is 15 years, then the age of the father is what? So now let us go for the solution. So students, I will assume the age of the elder son to be as x years. Then the age of the younger son will be x minus 15 years. So as per the equation, I will write 2x plus 10 is equal to 3 in the bracket x minus 15 minus 10. So on simplifying the equation, let me see what I get. So I get 3 in the bracket x minus 15 minus 10. Therefore 3 and x minus 25, and that is equal to 3x minus 75. So I've got 2x plus 10 is equal to 3x minus 75. Thus we can say that 10 plus 75 is equal to x. So as per the equation, let me see what I get. So on simplifying the bracket, we get 3 in the bracket. Now x minus 15 plus 10. So I will get x minus 5 in the bracket. So on simplifying it, I get 3x minus 15. So we have got 2x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 15. So we will write it down as minus 3 plus 15 is equal to x. Thus we get the answer as minus 3 plus 15, which is 12. So as per the equation, let me see what I get. So on simplifying this, we get 3 in the bracket x minus 5. Therefore 2x plus 10 is equal to 3x minus 15. So when we simplify this, we get x is equal to 10 plus 15, which is 25. So we have got x is equal to 25 years. Ab 25 years kya hai sir? 25 years is age of the elder son. So students, they have asked us the age of the father. Now I know that age of the father is twice the age of the elder son. So age of the father will be 2 times of x, which is 2 multiplied by 25, which is 50. Hence the answer will be option A. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to Informatica and do subscribe our channel.